base, this is Rover 1, alignment confirmed at marker 3, requesting next coordinates.
We need a high-res shot of this layer before we cut it. All right, I'll tag it for the morning report.
Before excavation begins, engineers must understand every layer hidden beneath the sea.
The overburden looks stable at this depth.
Yes, the seismic data confirms the optimal route right through the center here.
The boundary stakes for the portal are set here. Yeah, the heavy equipment is arriving now. We're proceeding to the mark zone. All right, let's get that first dig underway. Did you see the turns over by the vessel? They seem agitated by the noise.
Yes, documenting the behavioral changes now. The gulls are staying further south.
Every meter of seabed must be measured before machines can safely enter the Earth.
The geological findings confirm the stability right here. Agreed. The route is solid. Let's sign off so they can start the main bore. All right, bring the truck right up to the line. Easy now. Clear on the left, keep it coming.
With years of planning complete, the impossible journey beneath the sea is finally ready to begin.
All right, bring it up slow. Clear on the swing right, dump on my mark, and clear.
Bring it down slowly, watch the connection point. Copy that, easy on the hydraulics.
Initiating power sequence on generator 3. Clear. Stand by for stabilization. We need to accelerate the delivery of the structural beams by Tuesday.
I'll coordinate with the suppliers.
But we need to confirm the crane availability. Thousands of workers will rely on these systems long before the tunnel itself exists.
All right, Jimmy, bring it down 20 feet. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Easy now.
Keep the vibrator moving right there. We need a smooth finish on this section.
Copy that, boss. Hitting the corner now.
Process Vision Convoy, confirming arrival at the east portal.
Understood. Verification metrics look good. Proceed. Now the surface infrastructure is complete, and the real challenge, reaching deep beneath the channel, can finally begin.
Adjust the angle slightly. Follow the blue line exactly, right above the clay.
Beneath the surface lies a carefully layered geological history that will determine the tunnel's path.
Keep the pressure steady. I am increasing the flow rate now.
Every weak point must be reinforced before excavation can safely continue below sea level.
All right, slowly now. Watch the clearance on the east side.
Copy that, watching the east side.
Alignment confirmed. We are within tolerance. Excellent.
Log the data and continue the advance. At this depth, every centimeter of progress demands absolute precision.
All right, easy now. Bring it down another 2 meters. Watch your spacing.
Now begins the moment that will define the entire project, the descent of the tunnel boring machine.
We're good on this side. How's the rotation looking?
Rotation complete. Locking sequence engaged.
We are 50 millimeters above the ring.
Confirming alignment on the south side, looking good.
Roger that, proceeding with the final descent.
Every component must align with microscopic precision before the machine can move even a single meter. The structural load is peaking. We are approaching the target depth.
Readings are stable. Continue descent.
Keep the pressure steady on pump 2. Roger that, steady pressure.
Alignment parameters holding steady on grid reference 12. Requesting drone sweep of the lower cross-section.
Beneath the channel, even the Earth itself must be kept in balance. All systems online. Go for bore.
The machine is no longer being built. It is now carving the path between two worlds.
We're seeing consistent flow, but the density readings are spiking here. Yeah, the tablet shows a higher concentration of gravel coming through.
Each ring transforms raw excavation into a permanent engineered structure. Pressure stabilizing at 200 psi. Confirmed. Holding steady.
Keep the pressure steady. We're almost at the pour site.
10-4, maintaining steady flow. Meter by meter, the ocean above becomes a distant memory.
Check alignment at station 42.
Confirmed. Logging the deviation now.
Deep beneath the channel, the impossible is now a continuous machine of progress.
Pressure is spiking on Sector 4.
Acknowledged. Increasing thrust.
Check the water seals now.
Navigation trajectory holding steady at -50 meters. Seabed pressure stable. Adjusting alignment by 0.5 degrees starboard.
At this depth, even a minor imbalance could threaten the entire structure.
achieved perfect directional accuracy.
Confirmed. The trajectory is clear.
Grouting pressure steady at 50 bar. Conveyor speed matches TBM advance. Synchronization confirmed. All systems nominal.
After kilometers beneath the sea, the machine is finally approaching the world on the other side.
Breakthrough confirmed. Connection established.
Approaching the final layer. Pressure reading is critical.
Acknowledged. Reducing torque to maintain stability.
We have stabilization.
The final barrier between two continents is now only meters away.
Beam 7, lock hydraulics now. We have stable pressure at the apex.
Confirmed. Pressure holding steady. Process vision team, continue securing the perimeter. The final report is green across the board.
And the integrity check is complete. We are good to go.
Well done, team.
The impossible connection beneath the sea is now physically complete.
Even beneath the ocean, the tunnel must breathe like a living system.
Did you check the tension cables on the east side? Yes, all within tolerance. The tapping sounds solid too.
The pressure readings have stabilized completely. We have confirmation on long-term integrity.
Data looks good. I'm finalizing the report now.
Full system integration. Tunnel network active.
What once existed only in theory is now a working artery beneath the sea.
Control, this is validation lead. Sequence is green across the board. Test mode is active.
forward shift is confirmed. We have significant stress at bogey 2.
Noted. The deflection readings are still within tolerance, but barely.
Every meter beneath the sea must remain stable, under forces no human can see.
Emergency simulation in progress. Evacuate the area following the illuminated pathways. Ventilation systems engaged. The drill is concluded. All clear.
Everything checks out. The stress points are well within tolerance.
Excellent. The final report should reflect full readiness.
After years of engineering, testing, and precision, the tunnel is finally ready to serve the world.
Radio check successful. Sequence start confirmed. We are fully operational.
We actually did it. Look at that.
Incredible work, team. Absolutely incredible. Sector 4, clear for transport.
Every system now stands ready for its first real journey beneath the sea.
Ventilation is stable and the sensors are optimal. The traffic flow algorithms are handling the load well. We're approaching the midpoint transition now.
A monumental achievement realized. The world is now more connected than ever before.
Barriers are clear. Let's pack it up. All right, winding up the tape now.
We finally did it! It looks amazing.
And this is how one of the greatest engineering feats in human history was built. From nothing beneath the sea